how to use COCONOTE app. So this is amazing new app. Highly recommend you to try out, especially if you're a student in the college, university, or in a high school. So the idea of the app is that you can turn audio and video into notes, flashcards, quizzes, and more. So if you're in the lecture, like for example, if you're in some boring lecture which lasts 2 hours, you can just record this lecture, upload as audio file, and then this app in seconds will create really nice summary and then also quiz and flashcards, everything for you. So yep, let's just try it out. You can also upload YouTube links and things like that. So for example, here's some lecture at Yale University about Roman Empire or Middle Ages. So let's just open the app. It's a free app. Here it is. And then basically, you just tap to create a new note. This app has a paid plan, but it allows you to create few test free notes, but then, it's becoming paid. So here, for example, I have a YouTube video of the lecture. So then I need to invite friends, but basically, all right, so let's just show you this. Let's see if I can create. Anyhow, so they just only allow one note, which is a pity. And then just it's like 40 minutes lecture or like 40 minutes YouTube video. I don't have time to watch all of that. Maybe I'm just falling asleep or something like that. And then let's just see if it's gonna work, and then creating your note, and then let's see how it works. Of course, you can just use it on lectures or upload audio instead of video, but that can be really helpful to summarize, for example, also some long YouTube videos. So that can be helpful as well. I don't know how much time it takes, but as you can see, the video was like 40 minutes, so that's around can be like the lecture, and it took like 20 seconds. And then here it is. And then as you can see, here's the video. Then wow, you can see welcome and course introduction. So presenter, course title, course period, course themes, teaching follows, sections, course logistics, syllabus and assignments, course content overview, and then so as you can see, let's see what was in the video description and all of that, just to be what you can get. So here's you can see that's the description. So not that much. Like it wasn't here, and then here you can just in the note you can see fun and like all the details. Starts with crisis of Roman Empire, ends with the inheritance of the Roman Empire by 1000 AD. Key historical themes, fun and strangeness of the course in like super short note, and then instead of watching 40 minutes, you will see this criticism and realities of Roman Empire. It's like 4 bullet points, like imbalance, military endurance, and flows. Like so, it's like literally 1 paragraph of text instead of watching 40 minutes. And then evaluation of historical the closing remarks, and there you have it. So yeah, quite a nice note. Then you can view the full transcript. So here you can see the whole transcript is quite long. And then edit note and transcript, you can then just edit note and edit transcript. And then basically what you can do, you can share note link, and then you can just share text. You can edit, delete, and then you just have your note. Yeah, like the idea is that you just create a one note, and then you will have the whole overview of the lecture. And then yeah, if you wanna invite friends, here you can just go out and invite a friend, and then you just for every invited friend you will get a free note. Obviously, they can't make it that everyone uses it for free, because I guess all this like AI calls are quite expensive. So that's just what it is.